Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change PIN or PIN on Messenger. So basically, before you do anything, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up my Messenger, and what I'm going to do next, I'm going to just click on the three bars at the top left. And from here, I'm going to just go ahead and click on the settings again next to my name at the top right. Now what I'm going to do, in order to change the PIN, I'm going to just go ahead and access to the privacy and safety, and you're going to see the security section. You're going to see three options: app lock, end-to-end encrypted chat, and safe website browsing. I'm going to click the second option, which is end-to-end encrypted chats, and from here you're going to be able to see two options: message storage and security alerts. In my case, I'm going to just click the first option, which is message storage, and from here what I'm going to do, you're going to just go ahead and see right here, see security methods, save key in iCloud Drive. I'm going to create a PIN. In my case, I don't have PIN, so in order to generate a PIN, I'm going to just go ahead and click create PIN, and then the PIN means that whenever you enter the chat, you need, or whenever you enter the messenger, you need to enter the PIN. So that adds another layer of security to your chat and to your account on Messenger. So after you add the PIN, you're gonna be able to see an option right here to change the PIN in the highlighted blue world. So in my case, I didn't create one, but if you do, you're gonna see an option that allows you to change the PIN on Messenger by adding the first one, which is the previous PIN that you usually use to enter the chat, and the second one, which is the new one. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.